Hi and welcome back to Super Fun Kids Learning. Thanks for checking out part 2 of our Splash Country walkthrough here. Be sure to look for part 1 where we went through a bunch of different slides and help answer some questions for you, and we're going to continue on with part 2 here. So we just left off with River Rush. Now we're coming up on one of my favorite parts of the park. It's Bear Mountain Fire Tower. So what it is it's a great kids area. There's about 7 different slides back there and all kinds of water spraying everywhere, and you know, the water guns and stuff that the kids love, and it's just a really cute area. They do have a bucket that dumps 1,000 gallons of water. A little bell sounds right before it dumps. It's pretty great. My kid loves it back here, so that's a lot of fun. There are places to sit with shade, but it's small, the places to sit, so if you're interested in sitting there, you want to come put your stuff down pretty quick. But there's that. There is a Dogs and Taters here to the right, so they have like corn dog nuggets and hot dogs and things like that, and a drink machine to the right. So we're coming up here and still passing the Bear Mountain Fire Tower. Now here is Fire Tower Falls. This one has a 70-foot drop. This one is a lot of fun. It's really high, as you can see, and you get a good view of the park up top. Now you do have to be 48 inches to ride this ride. So there's Fire Tower Falls. You can see people coming down. Whoa! And you can race your friends. Alright, now coming back around, I just wanted to show you, here's some more lockers. We're going back toward the back of the park. It's Cascades. They do have baby changing centers everywhere. Here's a bathroom. They have a lot of family bathrooms, so that comes in handy for the little ones. Coming back here to the Cascades. The Cascades is 8,000 square feet. It's lagoon style pool. There's lots of interactive features for the kids, water sprayer, stuff like that. But there are more rentals back here if you wanted to rent something. But there's also just lounge chairs, and it's just a pretty little pool, basically. So, but there are lifeguards everywhere, which is great when you have kids, especially. There's a little slide for kids also. So that is the Cascades. They have Dippin' Dots as well. Dippin' Dots are throughout the park. They have life jackets, and the life jackets, they tell you, weight range, about what size, if you're looking for kids or whatever, or even adults. All right, so we are coming back out of here. Again, here's where you can do the rentals. They have reserve signs on them, but you can kind of see in there. It's the same thing as the one I already showed you in the last video. So, okay, so basically that's the end of that part of the park. So I have walked back to, remember I said the wave pool is more of the central hub of the park, so that's where we are now. The wave pool's on our left. We're walking back toward where all the other slides are. They're kind of all clustered together over here. So this is the butterfly that I'm showing you now. 55-foot long drops. You have to be 48 inches to ride that one, because it does drop you off in a pretty deep pool there. So that's a lot of fun though. I do recommend it. I enjoyed that one. Okay, so there are a lot of slides over here. So we're gonna start. I just wanted to show you all the slides back here because there's even a lot that you can't see, but I'm gonna start over here to the right with the Raging River Rapids. It's this big family style one that you see here. This one's a lot of fun. This one's line can get long, but I will say they move pretty quickly because they're usually sending down the tubes pretty close to each other. So to me, it's worth the wait. It's a lot of fun. That one, you have to be 36 inches to ride. They want you to have 3 riders, although if you have to, they usually just pair you up with other people. The max you can have in a tube is 5. So then coming over here to this green and yellow slide on our left here. So this is Swift Water Run. You have to be 48 inches to ride this one. It's got one of those funnels in it. It's a lot of fun. It's a pretty quick ride. You just kind of go down and then around this funnel a couple of times and then drop out. But I enjoy it. Again, the line for this one can get long. Sometimes you have to wait for your raft because people return them. So now we are coming over around behind, and I didn't even know this part existed when I first came to the park because it's kind of hidden. But if you keep walking behind like the Swiftwater Run and stuff, you'll see these. This right here is the mountain twist that I'm showing you. To get to it, you just walk by where that lifeguard is sitting over here on the right. But see, we're walking towards Slick Rock, but on the left is Mountain Twist. Mountain Twist, you have to be 36 inches to ride. It's 3 single-person mat slides. And then I'm showing you here Slick Rock Racer in the red here. That one you have to be 42 inches to ride. It's 4-lane mat racer slide. Now this is called Mountain Scream. It's 2 corkscrew slides and 1 of those just bumpy slides. To ride any of these, you have to be 48 inches. So to get to it, you have to walk around behind the Swiftwater Run and you climb the stairs. But you can see somebody coming down right now. It's a lot of fun. I will tell you, the orange slide is fun. The green slides are a little bit crazy because they're pitch black. So you have no idea where you're going. You just kind of have to go with it. But it's fun. I enjoy it. I've done it a couple times. It's very fun. So, okay, coming around here, those orange boxes you saw to the left, that's where you do your H2O passes. Now what I'm showing you is the Wild River Falls. You have to be 36 inches to ride that. Let's see, so they have a single tube or double tube ride there. 1 adult, 1 child in the double tube, or you can go single tube. The 2 outer slides are open air. The 2 inner slides are dark tunnels. So just know that. They're really fun. My kid loves it. I love it. You know, they're really exciting rides. So I do recommend those. Okay, and that is all the slides in the park. So now we are walking back out, and I just kind of wanted to show you some of the details. They do such a good job on the landscaping. It's beautiful here. Waterfalls, flowers, lots of great places to get pictures and stuff. So we're walking back out of the park. Here is the trolley to the Dreammore. So again, if you're staying at the Dreammore, they make it super easy to get back. You can just jump on the trolley and get over there. Otherwise, your cars are right here. So that is our video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope I've answered all your questions, and I hope you've enjoyed the walkthrough. And again, we really love the park. We're Gold Pass members. We go all the time. With Gold Pass, you can of course add on the water park, which is what we do. And then you can go to the Dollywood or to the water park anytime, and they're a lot of fun. So again, I hope you've enjoyed. Please be sure to check out our other videos. We do walkthroughs of Dollywood. We'll answer your questions, things like that. So we hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.